Hello children, today in this video we are going to learn about soluble and insoluble substances. Have you ever seen that something that we mix with water get disappeared while something do not? This is because the things which disappear gets dissolved into the water and that do not disappear and remains visible. Let us see the things what dissolves and what does not, and also know about soluble and insoluble substances. Soluble substances, the things that can completely dissolve into the water, is called soluble substances. We can understand about soluble substances by this experiment. Take a glass of water, a spoon and some amount of sugar. Add a spoon of sugar and mix it into glass of water. Stir it. After stirring sometimes, we see that sugar completely dissolve into the water and disappear. So, sugar is the soluble substance. Take another glass of water and add 1 spoon of salt into the water. Stir it. After some time, we see that salt completely dissolves into the water and disappears. So, salt is soluble substance. Milk. When you take a glass of water and add some amount of milk in it, milk dissolves into the water. So, milk is soluble substance. Some other examples of soluble substances are soap, flour, etc. Now, what is insoluble substances? Insoluble substance, the things that cannot dissolve into the water, is called insoluble substances. Means ऐसे substance जो water या किसी liquid में dissolve नहीं होते हैं, उनको हम insoluble substances कहते हैं. We can understand about insoluble substances by this experiment. Take a glass of water, spoon and some amount of sand. Add some amount of sand into water and stir it. After some time, we see that sand does not dissolve into the water and settle down at the bottom of glass. So, sand is insoluble substance. Let us take another examples of insoluble substances. Chalk powder. Take a glass of water, add some amount of chalk powder in it. Chalk powder does not dissolve into the water and settle down at the bottom of glass. So, chalk is insoluble substance. Oil. Take a glass of water and add 1 spoon of oil in it. Oil ऐड करने के बाद हम देखते हैं कि ऑयल वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं होता है, बल्कि वाटर के ऊपर तैरता रहता है. इसीलिए ऑयल एक insoluble substance है. Some other examples of insoluble substances are plastic, wood, etc. So children, आप अपने डेली लाइफ में भी ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं कि कौन से मटेरियल सॉल्युबल हैं और कौन से इनसॉल्युबल हैं. Now your practice time. Question number 1. The things that can dissolve into the water is called dash. Question 2. The things that cannot dissolve into the water dash. Question number 3. Classify these things into correct category of soluble and insoluble substances. Things are sand, mud, sugar, coffee powder, lemon juice, chalk powder, pulses, salt, oil. Children, this is all for today. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.